Hey everyone, this is Brian. Today I'm going to show you how to use AI to power up your direct selling business. We'll explore how AI can help boost your sales and create a smart health consultant that can provide product information and answer customer questions. With AI agents, you can set yourself apart from the competition by building an AI-powered sales assistant that allows customers to easily access product details, learn about health benefits, and even get personalized recommendations. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT's GPTs feature to create a custom AI health consultant for your brand. We'll use Nature Lingzhi Capsule as an example to walk through the entire process. Step 1. Make sure you can access GPTs. Before we dive in, you need to check two things to make sure you can use GPTs. Your region must support ChatGPT Plus. You need a H+ subscription to create and customize your own GPT AI consultant. Once you're logged into ChatGPT, check if your account is upgraded to Plus. If it is, click on the GPTs tab to start building your brand's AI assistant. Step 2. Setting up your AI health consultant's knowledge base. Your AI health consultant should be able to provide solid product knowledge and health insights. To do that, we need to build a knowledge base by uploading key information into GPTs. Here's what you'll need. Product details, like Nature Lingzhi Capsule's ingredients, benefits, and usage instructions. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. 20 common customer inquiries. Scientific research on ingredients. Clinical studies and journal articles about Lingzhi. Sales psychology techniques to help guide potential customers toward purchasing. If you're not sure what kind of questions customers might ask, you can use AI to generate 20 likely FAQs based on your product information. Step 3. Uploading files and feeding your AI consultant. Now we'll upload all the prepared data into the GPT's knowledge base so your AI assistant can start learning. Best file formats to use. PDF files, so AI can accurately read your content. EPUB ebooks, for additional resources on sales techniques. Here's how to do it. 1. Click the Upload File and add your product details. 2. Upload FAQs, like how does Lingzhi help cancer patients? 3. Upload scientific research papers to ensure the AI provides accurate health recommendations. 4. Add high sales-related books, such as Influence and The Psychology of Selling, to enhance persuasive communication. By doing this, your AI consultant won't just be a product database, it'll be a powerful sales assistant with expert-level communication skills. Step 4. Designing your AI health consultant's branding. To make your AI consultant look more professional, you'll want to design a custom logo. You can either use ChatGPT's built-in DALL-E image generator to create a logo or upload your own brand logo to personalize the experience. Step 5. Setting up AI conversations and FAQs. To make the AI's responses more natural and engaging, we need to set up starter questions that users will see right away, like, who should take Lingzhi capsules? How does Lingzhi help cancer patients? Are there any side effects from taking Lingzhi long-term? Having these FAQs in place will make it easy for customers to get quick and relevant answers. Step 6. Testing AI responses and multi-language support. Now, it's time to test your AI consultant to see how well it handles different types of questions. We also want to make sure it can support multiple languages like English, Chinese, and Thai. How to test it? Ask it, what are the benefits of Lingzhi for cancer patients? Try asking the same question in Thai to see if it responds correctly. The AI will pull answers from the uploaded knowledge base and generate responses based on scientific references. This step ensures that the AI provides accurate and personalized responses to different customer needs while handling multiple languages seamlessly. Step 7. Sharing your AI consultant with customers. Once everything is set up and running smoothly, it's time to make your AI assistant available to customers. Ways to share your AI consultant. GPT's store. Publish it so anyone can find and use it. Custom shareable link. Post it on your website, social media, or customer support channels. Private testing mode. Keep it internal until you're ready to go public. How to share your GPT AI consultant. Click My GPTs and find the AI you created. Click Share to generate a link for customers. If you make any updates later, Don't forget to click Update to keep the AI consultant up to date. Once shared, your AI health consultant will be a powerful sales assistant that helps customers get product information quickly while improving sales conversions. Today, we walk through how to create a custom AI health consultant for your brand. From setting up a knowledge base, uploading product details, and designing a logo to testing AI conversations and sharing it with customers, every step has been covered so you can build your own AI-powered sales assistant with confidence. Are you ready to take your sales to the next level with AI? Get started today and build your own AI health consultant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your team.